Most of us get our financial education from our parents. KIYOSAKI was fortunate enough to be influenced by two fathers with different mindsets about money. One, an intellectual scholar, the other who didn't pass college. One would think, I can't afford it, the other, how can I afford it? One studied hard to find a good job, the other so he could start or buy his own company. One thought about saving money, the other invest in money. One was taught money is the root of all evil, the other that money is power and freedom. As he learned from his dads, it's how you think about money that can make you rich or poor. The poor work for money, the rich have money work for them. Most of us get up, go to work, pay the bills, repeat the cycle, and live life dictated by the size of a paycheck. You have to take a leap and a commitment to change. Stop living in fear, relying on a so-called safe job, or greed by blowing your paycheck on luxuries you don't need, and start looking for opportunities to grow and free yourself from the rat race. While for most of us our profession is our income, the rich make their assets their income. It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. Making money is easy, keeping it not so much. There's no shortage of stories of millionaires gone broke, which is why you need a solid financial foundation. Rich people acquire assets. Poor people acquire liabilities they think are assets. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. The rich get richer because their assets grow more income than their liabilities drain. The rich then reinvest into more assets and create multiple streams of income. That said, more money won't solve bad spending habits. A lot of people actually work January through May just for the government. That's how much they pay in taxes. The rich don't pay these kind of taxes. They learn the tricks and loopholes to avoid them. The rich focus on their assets column, while everyone else focuses on their income statements. Most people work for everyone but themselves, their company, the government, and the banks. Then what's left you get to keep, but it's not going to make you rich. Minding your own business is about investing in yourself. Acquire assets that have value or will appreciate or generate income. Invest in the stock market or real estate. Poor people buy luxuries first, often on credit. Rich people build their assets and income and then acquire luxuries. When you pay yourself first, you get financially stronger. When you pay others first, you get financially weaker. We all know taxes suck, because the harder you work, the more you pay the government. Back in the Robin Hood days, taxes were meant to come from the rich and benefit the poor. The reality in modern days is that middle-class taxpayers support the masses, while the rich get all the tax breaks. To protect themselves back in the day when they were sailing ships, the rich created corporations, so if they lost the ship, they were only going to lose their investment and not everything personally. A corporation is just a piece of paper filed and sitting in some attorney's office, registered with the government agency, but it protects the rich. Corporations have lower income tax rates and get protection from lawsuits. Corporations get to earn, spend, and then pay taxes, versus earn, pay taxes, and then spend what's left. This is a huge advantage in paying less taxes. In the real world, it's more than academics that makes you successful. You need a desire and belief in yourself, the ability to take calculated risks and leverage the strengths of others. Don't expect others to make your success. You have to go out and grab it with both hands. Plenty of people work hard and wait to be rewarded, but sometimes it just doesn't come. Don't wait for the time to be just right. It rarely is. Always be looking for opportunities, and financial intelligence gives you more options. Deals and profits are made in the buying, not the selling. Job security meant everything to poor dad. Learning meant everything to rich dad. A lot of people are one skill away from earning a lot more money. I've known many people whose technical skills are brilliant, but are held back due to poor communication skills. This is why learning leadership skills is invaluable, and those with great leadership skills will rise to the top. Sales skills are not just for shady car salesmen, and if you want to leverage the strengths of others, you need to learn how to convince others. If you decide not to learn these new skills, then master in your specialized skill and hope the need for that skill never goes away, or hope you don't get replaced by some more cost-efficient method. If you hate risk and worry, then start early. Learn the power of compound interest. If you don't have much time or want to retire early, then take more calculated risks. Winning means being unafraid to lose. Failure inspires winners and defeats losers. Don't go broke over pennies playing life small. That doesn't mean buying things you can't afford, but instead looking for big investments. Playing it safe is playing not to lose, but that's not the way successful investors win. It's okay to be a little greedy. After all, what would your life be like if you didn't have to work again? Great changes come from wanting to be better. You need to have that desire for a better life. Stop doing what you're doing and assess what's working and what's not. Find a purpose great enough. Without a strong reason, you might as well give up now. Financial freedom sounds great until we have to work hard for it. Make daily choices. Most people don't want it bad enough, so they make excuses. You choose how you spend your time and your money. Invest in your education. Choose friends carefully, by power of association. Learn from the ones who know how to make money and learn from the ones who struggle to make money. And learn quickly. You get what you focus on. If you don't like what you're getting, change the recipe. Pay yourself first. Learn to manage cash flow, people, and time. And pay professionals well. Don't settle for cheap advice. Free advice is worth exactly what you paid for it. Also, don't be afraid of short-term investing strategies. And use assets, not credit, to buy luxuries. Learn how to make money work for you. And just like a kid follows a sports hero, you must follow financial heroes and imitate. And lastly, give and you shall receive. Help as many other people get what they need. Start taking action today and turn income into passive and portfolio income. That's the key to financial freedom.